Tkinter, apps look old and boring, right? What if I told you we could make them look modern without any extra libraries? Search for Figma in Chrome. Launch Figma and design the UI. Alright, the UI design is done. Now let's move on to step 2. Simply type. Now click to open this. Alright, the repositories are open. Now click on Modern Project to open it. Simply copy this code. Alright, now open your code editor and paste the code. Remove the unnecessary code lines since we don't need them. Open Figma and take a look. Here's the width and height. Now, go back and enter the same values, width and height. Alright, run the code and see, yep, it's working. See that? The entry is centered, but we gotta fix the background. Go back and open Figma, then copy the color and paste it. Now run the code. See? Okay, it looks better, but we can make it even better. Okay, looks much better. Now, make the cursor white so it looks even nice. Alright, now add buttons for login and sign up. Alright guys, the login page is all set. Now let's move on to the main page. See here? The image is half cropped because of the canvas. That's why we need to use an anchor to fix it. Look, the image size is fixed now. Alright, look, the card is placed with a transparent background. Now let's update the image name. And there we go, it looks much better now. Now the next step, place the pet on the stone and click to change. See, I placed the pet with a transparent background, but I need to fix its position. And look at this, the pet looks super clear with a transparent background. I achieved this using only simple Tkinter canvas. Alright, now let's add a text label to show Bitcoin mining and hash speed. Here's something cool. You can see the Bitcoin earning image placed behind the fox ear. Looks awesome. Alright, Bitcoin and hash images are in, and look, background has a cool blur effect. Now, add text to display mining and hash rate. The text doesn't look good, so we need to add some spacing. Now it's looking super cool. Next we'll add buttons. Okay, the button is added and the UI design is done. Now I need a function so that when I click on the card, the pet changes, just like buying a pet. Now, make the card clickable by binding the label as a button so clicking it changes the pet. When I click the card, the pet image changed. Use the same method for other cards. Here's something cool. Clicking the card replaces the pet with a new image, just like a buy system. Here's the final look. We've got the login system and the main page where you can change the pet image. There's so much more we could add, but the video is getting long. So for now, I kept it simple. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome projects.